It lies approximately 209 meters beneath sea level, earning the title of the world's lowest freshwater body. Positioned within the Jordan Rift Valley, its geological origins trace back to the divergence of the African and Arabian tectonic plates. The Sea of Galilee, also referred to as Lake Kinneret, is Israel's largest freshwater reservoir, spanning 166 square kilometers. Ancient volcanic eruptions and seismic shifts sculpted the striking, picturesque terrain that encircles the lake. Its outline mirrors that of a violin, which inspired its Hebrew name Kinneret, meaning violin. Encircling roughly 53 kilometers, the lake offers breathtaking vistas and serene waterscapes. Each September, the Kinneret Crossing, Israel's premier open water swim event, draws thousands of participants to this location.